Hey guys, this is 80 from 88 Films. In today's video, we're going to be checking out the IBIS capabilities of the Canon EOS R6. If you're considering grabbing either the R5 or the R6, and you have a good collection of EF lenses, in particular the more budget lenses that don't come with an image stabilizer, then this video will show you exactly what the R6 is capable of. When running these tests, I purposely tried to not take too much care holding the camera. I didn't want to, hold my breath or do a ninja walk. In fact, I gave it a little bit of a stomp when I did the walking test. I just didn't put too much care into the way that I held the camera because I wanted to kind of simulate what it's like when you're having a busy day. You might be in a stressful situation on uneven ground, maybe been holding a heavy camera all day with a big lens and your arms are getting a bit shaky. And I really wanted to see if this camera can handle that situation and how powerful the IBIS is.
I think if you just took a little bit more care with the way you held the camera, you'd be able to get a near perfect shot with just the IBIS alone. And I don't think the digital IS would really be necessary unless you were working in a very difficult situation.
Now, I didn't personally pick up the R6 for the IBIS capabilities, but after testing it out, I'm just super impressed. It has upgraded my old lenses that I previously couldn't shoot video with if I wasn't using a gimbal, and it's made those lenses so much more valuable to me, and I think I'm going to be using them a lot more in the future. I've always loved the look of something like the 85mm, but generally I just keep it for portrait photography as it was a little bit difficult to get a steady shot when shooting video, but this IBIS just solves the problem. It's really incredible what it does, removing all the little jitters and shakes from the shot. I think adding in this powerful IBIS with the autofocus on the R6, it just makes it so easy to get really professional looking video footage on all different focal lengths. To be able to shoot handheld video at 200mm, just blows my mind. It's crazy. Anyway guys, I hope you like this video. I'm going to be filming some low light tests next, checking out all the ISO ranges on the R6. So if you want to see that one, subscribe below and I'll see you then.